In this video, I will show you how to use OneKeyCash on Expedia. So, Expedia actually launched its One Key Rewards program, and this rewards is issued for Expedia, Hotels.com, and Vrbo in July 2023, and it can be used to all of these things that you can see right here on your screen. Now, for this one key cache, what we can do is you can just select a hotel, for example. You can just select one of them and you can earn some Expedia or one key cache for that. So, once you have earned enough and you want to use it for another booking, what you can do in that way is to just track your rewards. You can view your rewards activity to that, and in here you can see the requirements for that in here as well. Now, in order to use it, what you can do is you can head over and you just need to make enough to cover an entire flight cost, including taxes and fees, as well as checked bags, seat appointments, might be purchased upon booking as well. So you just need to cover all of this right here. So this credit card will look like this, and you can get some welcome offer, annual fees, and the likes, and it will be accumulated as a rewards for that. So that's how you use Monkey Cash on Expedia. Hope you help.